This is a video about the factory scan tool I use to diagnose all my Ford Explorers and my Ranger. It is called the IDS, which stands for Integrated Diagnostic System. I use older versions that do not need a subscription. I found a disc labeled 2010 that has version 68 on it, but I also have versions 72 and 74 that were downloads and did not come on a disc. After version 74, Ford went to a subscription where you had to pay around $1,000 a year. My vehicles are older, but I think version 68 goes up to about 2010. Versions 72 and 74 should go higher. Maybe 2012. Not 100% sure on that. I installed this software on older Dell laptops. I used the Latitude E5440, but keep in mind that they have different options for this model. I used these because they were known to work with the IDS, and they ran Windows 7 Professional, which is required. Windows 10 was not out yet when the versions I used were released, so they do not work on Windows 10. I use a Dell Restore disk to install Windows 7 Professional, so it doesn't need to be activated by Microsoft. I install 1 terabyte SSD hard drives into each laptop, so I have plenty of room. I also install disk images for Ford service information, which has the workshop manuals, wiring diagrams, and the PCED, which stands for Powertrain Control and Emissions Diagnostics. To interface between the vehicle and the laptop, you need the VCM and 2 cables. VCM stands for Vehicle Communication Module. It is red and has some LED lights on it. 1 cable attaches to the VCM and then to the laptop by a USB connection. The other cable attaches to the VCM and then to the 16-pin diagnostic connector on the vehicle. After installing the IDS software, I changed the user settings to ones I use while diagnosing vehicles. Here's a quick video on how I do that. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I will try to answer them in the comment section below.